Hi, this is Heather from Weifang ZY Paper Packaging. Today we are going to introduce how many ways you can seal a box. One of the most common forms of closing the box we use is to punch holes in the box, then thread a ribbon through these holes, and you can tie the ribbon in a bow style. It's pretty and also closer the box. Glue the magnetic tape or Velcro onto the inside of the handle. It makes it look more invisible. It's beautiful, but it's expensive. On the basis of the card itself, use the machine to cut out the suitable gap. This will hold the seal in place. The price is relatively cheap. However, the disadvantage is that it may be damaged after repeated use. For more bag knowledge sharing, please don't miss the channel. See you in the next episode. Bye!